In this tips and tricks video, we're going to look at how we apply a taxonomy to an existing data stream. To start applying a taxonomy to an existing data stream, we first find our data stream here in the data ingestion panel. And we will click on our data stream. In this case, it's an iOS app example. And we will see this edit option. From here, we'll click edit, which will bring up a view showing us all of our deployed models. It's from this view that we can see the option to deploy a taxonomy on this existing data stream. I'm going to select taxonomy, and from here I'll see a view where I can map the text field that I want my taxonomy to be applied to. By default, Stratified has already determined the most logical text field to map for this taxonomy. I like this selection, so I'm going to go ahead and click Next. From here, I'm at step 2 where I pick my taxonomy. To do so, I'll simply click on this blue plus sign, and I'll see my list of taxonomies. I have a mobile app taxonomy here that I'm going to select and apply. To deploy my mobile app taxonomy, I'll simply click Next here. This will bring me to a view where I can name my taxonomy if I'd like. Just call it Mobile App Taxonomy. I can add tags, and I can also include a description if I'd like. For now, I'm just going to hit Submit, and we'll see that our mobile app taxonomy is now ready to be deployed on our iOS app stream. From here, I'll click Submit, and our mobile app taxonomy has been deployed. Everything is processing now, and as soon as we see this processing icon come to a standstill, we'll be able to then build out our taxonomy visualizations.